Every Italian citizenship application begins and ends with one thing: the documents. Without the correct birth certificate of your Italian ancestor, from the right municipality, in the right format, with an apostille, no application can move forward. In this video, I will explain why archival research in Italy is far more complex than it appears, and how we handle it. Let us start with a reality that many people do not know. The majority of failed Italian citizenship applications do not fail because of legal obstacles. They fail because of documents, wrong format, incomplete information, name inconsistencies, missing apostille, or translation from an unaccredited translator. Every Italian citizenship application, whether juris sanguinis, a 1948 case, or a reacquisition, requires a complete document package that must be correct, complete, and fully coordinated at the time of submission. A single incorrect document can stop the entire process for months. And before you can submit anything, you first need to find the documents. That is the most difficult part. To understand why archival research is so demanding, you need to know how Italian archives are organized. There is no central database. Vital records are maintained at the level of the individual municipality, known as the commune. Italy has more than 7,000 municipalities. Each municipality keeps its own records, many of which have never been digitized. Italian civil registration began in 1866. For an ancestor born before 1866, the civil registries do not hold records. The only available source is church archives dating back to the 16th century, held in diocesan or state archives. There is also a digital portal, the Portale Antenate of the Italian Ministry of Culture, which provides free access to millions of digitized records. But here's the critical detail. As of 2026, only 15% of Sicilian records are indexed by name. For the remaining 85%, you must search page by page through handwritten 19th century registers in Italian. Let us look at exactly which documents a standard Jure Sanguinis application requires and why every detail matters. From the Italian side, you need the birth record of the Italian ancestor in a strato per riassunto format, not a simple copy, with apostille. You also need marriage and death records for every intermediate person in the genealogical chain. And for reacquisition cases, you need a copia integrale, meaning a complete photographic copy of the record exactly as registered. From the U.S. side, you need naturalization records or a certificate of non-existence of records from NARA and USCIS, which must cover every name variant appearing across the documents. You also need birth, marriage, and death certificates for every person from the Italian ancestor to the applicant. Every foreign document requires an apostille and a certified Italian translation. An important detail specific to New York is that the Italian Consulate General in New York now requires an additional legalization of the translator's signature. This is a layer of certification that many applicants overlook, and it can cause dossiers to be rejected at the first review. Here are the 3 most common problems we encounter, each capable of stopping an application for months. First, name inconsistencies. Hundreds of thousands of Italian immigrants changed their names. Antonio became Anthony. Rossi became Rosie. Carmela became Carmen. These discrepancies must be resolved either through a special identity certificate from the Italian municipality or through judicial rectification. The non-naturalization certificate must also cover every name variant appearing across all documents in the genealogical chain. Second, destroyed or missing records. Many Italian archives were destroyed through war, flooding, or deterioration. In these cases, the research turns to alternative sources, including parish archives, military records, land registry, and records from neighboring municipalities. Knowing which alternatives exist for each province requires local expertise. Third, unknown municipality of origin. Many Italian Americans know only that their ancestor came from Sicily or Calabria, without knowing the specific municipality. Without the exact commune, no request can be submitted to any Italian archive. Identification requires research in U.S. sources, such as Ellis Island ship manifests, NARA records, and census data. And here's the critical difference between professional archival research and what someone can do alone from home. We maintain a network of certified genealogists, physically based across all 20 Italian regions. This means that when a municipality does not respond to emails, someone goes there in person. When a record has not been digitized, someone searches it page by page in the archive. When records have been destroyed, we know which alternative sources exist in each province. Attorney supervision at every stage ensures that the documents delivered are exactly what the application requires. They must be in the right format, with the right certification, and with no last-minute surprises. The average document retrieval time from Italian archives through our network is approximately 1 month. Without specialized expertise and physical access to the archives, the same process can take far longer or fail to produce results at all. There is one thing that many applicants misunderstand. Archival research and the legal application are not two separate processes. Which documents are needed, in what format, with what certification, and in what sequence? All of this depends directly on the type of application being filed and the specific requirements of the competent authority. A genealogist without legal knowledge can retrieve a document in the wrong format. An attorney without an archival research network sends the client elsewhere for the documents. We do both, under the same roof. Whether you already know you qualify for Italian citizenship and need help with the documents, or whether you are simply not sure where to begin, the first step is the same: a free case assessment. We will review your genealogical line, identify which documents are needed, and tell you exactly what next steps are available. Click the link in the description, complete the case assessment form, or contact our law firm by email or phone. Email info@italiandualcitizenshiplaw.com. Call 332-277-5023. Our law firm can review your situation and get back to you within 24 hours.